In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your liked reels on Instagram. This is really helpful if you want to go back and watch something that you may have liked, and it's really easy to get to, and that way it's always a good reference to have. So what you want to do is go to your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right corner here. It's usually a picture of your profile picture. And then from here, you're at your home page and go to the top right where you see the three bars, and that's going to lead you into a bunch of settings and things like that. So what you want to do is really just scroll until you find your activity, and that should be at the top. So go ahead and go there. And then go to your likes at the very top. And from here, it has all of your likes of different content types, but you can filter through this. So at the very top where it says all content types, you can go ahead and click that and filter through just by your reels. And then it will show you all of your reels that you've liked over time. And you can go back and watch them, or if you want to unlike them, you can do that too. But that is how you would go about finding your liked reels on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.